Angus?
Yeah?
Cartoon seagulls.
What?
There are cartoon seagulls all over the living room. So there is.
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. Oh, it might have something to do with that magic Sharpie I bought.
What?
Magic Sharpie. How do we fix this? I don't think we can. So let me get this straight. You got a magic Sharpie, yeah, from Magic eBay. You drew a crude version of a seagull. Well, you drew a better one then. There's no reason to be mean. And now it's come to life and repopulated. Yeah, looks like it. But I'm sure we'll get used to it. It's like when a train passes your house every day at 1 o'clock. This isn't the train going past. This is seagulls. Badly drawn seagulls everywhere, all the time. Oh, come on, just give it a chance. Please? Oh, what the heck. Okay, I'll give it a day. Thank you. If it doesn't work, I'm calling the exterminator. I'll give you the phone myself. I love you. No.
Hey, you've reached Tony's extermination business. Apparently you can't use mustard gas on rats, so you can leave a message, but legally I can't do anything about it.
Oh. There are too many. They're everywhere.